Hey guys, it's Mrs. Holbrook. Let's get ready to do a little math together. We're going to start with a addition warm-up. So some of you might know these facts like this, and that's our goal, but if you don't, you can always pause it, use some counters, draw a number line, whatever you might need to help you. All right, here we go. 1 plus 6. 7. 3 plus 4. 7. 1 plus 8. 9. 2 plus 3. 5. 3 plus 2. Still 5. 1 plus 3. 4. 2 plus 1. 3. 1 plus 5. 6. Awesome. Now let's switch over to a little deeper thinking. Okay. Let's make my screen a little bit bigger, and today we are going to talk about how we can add 3 numbers. So this is something we've already done in school, but it's a good area to review. When you're trying to add 3 numbers, one thing you can do is look for the numbers that you already know the answer to and do the fact, and then add the third number. It doesn't matter what order you go in. It's always going to be the same. So let's look at our first example. It says 6 plus 4 plus 3. Well, I know 6 plus 4 is 10, so I'll do that first. And then I can add the 3. And I know 10 plus 3 is 13. So that's how I get my answer. Okay, let's try some more. You're going to want to grab some paper or chalk or something to write these on. So number 1 says 5 plus 2 plus 5. The way I did it, you can see I circled right away. I knew 5 plus 5 is 10. So I wrote out 5 plus 5 equals 10. And then I needed to add the 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. So my total answer, or my sum, is 12. Okay, look at this next one. It's the same numbers, 5 plus 2 plus 5, but it's a different way you could do it. If you noticed 5 and 2 and you knew that fact, 2 plus 5 is 7, then you can add 7 plus 5 equals 12. Okay, I want you to go ahead and pause so that you can solve these problems. Number 2 is all about turtles. If you have 6 turtles, your friend has 6, and your other friend has 3, how many turtles do you have all together? And then we have the fish. 4 fish plus 5 fish plus 6 fish. Go ahead and add to solve. I can't wait to see which facts you do first. Okay, so what'd you come up with for the turtles? How many people out there added 6 plus 6 first? You knew your doubles. Doubles, doubles. I can do my doubles. Okay. And how many did 6 plus 3? Interesting. So what is 6 plus 6, everyone? That's right, 12. And then 12 plus 3 will give you 15. Good job. Pat yourself on the back if you got 15. If not, fix it up. Okay, now let's look at these fish over here on this side. What fact did you do first? How many people did 4 plus 5? Is that a fact you picked up right away? Okay. How many people did 5 plus 6? Okay. And how many did 4 plus 6? Interesting. So you made a 10. So if 4 plus 6 is 10, then you have to add the 10 plus the 5, and you get 15. Nice job, everybody. Let's try one more where you really have to show us your thinking. Okay. So I want you to think how you could explain to someone younger who maybe doesn't know this, a kindergartner or your little sister or brother, or maybe a stuffed animal. Explain how to add 3 plus 3 plus 4. You can use pictures, numbers, or words. This is your challenge today, and I would love for you to take a picture of your work and send it to me or to your classroom teacher. Awesome job, and keep looking around your house, adding things, and practicing those math facts.